going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another Copart walk around. You ready for this? Let's jump into this with number one on my list. How about a 2014 Hyundai Veloster Turbo, baby? 76,000 miles on the odometer. We got the chrome wheels here that somebody plastered black and then tried to peel off, I guess? Or maybe that's the chrome plating peeling off. I don't know. But anyway, Michelin Pilot Sport all-season tires. Someone liked their car. They put really expensive. Well, they're not really expensive. These are good tires, though, real good tires. This is a good-looking car, but there is a but. Same issue that the Dart has. Hail damage. Yep. Let's walk around it, and let's see if you can see it. Let's see if I can see it. I see it on the roof very clearly, but as far as the sides go, I really don't see much. Now, this is the only roof the car has. It's all glass right here. So this, obviously, you would have to fix. But as far as the rest of the car, I'm not seeing any major damage. There's a few dings in the hood. Nothing too serious, and nothing serious down the side. Guys, normally I would say I would never be okay with like skimming the top, you know, coating the top and then repainting it. But in this particular instance, I think there's only a couple dings in the hood. You could probably either PDR the hood or just replace it. The roof, sand it, fill those in, make it nice and flush, and then send it to paint. You'd have a beautiful car in your hands. Well, I guess that's... that really depends on the person. Beautiful. You may not think the Veloster is beautiful. I think it's a cool car. I like the Veloster. I do. The Velociraptor, I think, is what the Hyundai fanatics call it, right? Oh, she's dead. Well, of course she's dead. Sure, that makes sense. All right, I mean, she's clean, guys. Door panel looks nice. There's some mud on it, no big deal. But look around. Oh, can you even see? It is a little dark in here. The window tint is very dark. But look at the seats. Black and blue, turbo embroidered in the seat. Very nice. It's an automatic, you know, unfortunately. Door handle here is peeling just a tad bit. Not too bad, though. Not too bad. We're gonna pop this hood. That's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna get this bad boy to run. Those Michelins look like they are practically new. Oh, man. The hood is going to stay up for us on this one. Very nice. There's our battery. She needs just a little bit of juice there. A little bit of motivation. Where's my... Uh-oh. Oh. I was looking for my booster pack. I thought I lost it. Can't do that, man. Can't do that. Got to have the booster pack. Let's try not to lose the list, too. That's also very, very important. I can't tell you how many times I've had these lists go flying out here, and I have to chase it down. Unfortunately, with the wind today, you're not going to catch that list. If it gets away from you, it is gone, man. Gone with the wind. All right. Come on. Fire up, girl. There we go. Throw that on there. And we should have power. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow the hood down. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's kind of a small car. Truthfully, it's kind of a small car. I almost feel a little claustrophobic in here, if I'm being honest with you. Okay, ignition. Yeah. Someone left the headlights on, the brights on. I think someone was intentionally trying to kill this one. They wanted it dead as a doornail. But as you can see, with a quick jump, she fired right back to life. No issue. With 76,000 miles, it's misfiring pretty badly. It's not running well. It's not running well at all. Not surprising. It's probably been sitting here a while. And if it's got ethanol gas, it can get rough. But usually they come right back out of it, guys. Usually. And she did already. There it is. There it is. She's running great. Let's give her a little rev. Not much. All right. We kept it under 3,000 RPM, guys. I don't want to hear you yelling. We're not revving it up very much. Air conditioning is ice cold. Our infotainment center seems to be working. Everything on there looks good. Center stack is nice with your push to start button right there. Your automatic transmission right here, which I'm sure works perfectly. Backup camera, yes. It goes backwards, yes it does. And well, she lurched forward. She definitely goes forwards. Power windows work. Yes, sir. Steering feels very nice. Brakes feel good. Air conditioning feels good. You got heated seats, traction control. I mean, she's got everything you need, guys. Bluetooth, hands-free calling, all that good stuff. I like it. Some of you probably won't, but I do. I like the little car. It's got the Dimension stereo system. I don't know what that means, but it's, what does that say right there? Grace, and I can't read that. It's too tiny. It looks like Grace Note. XM, Dimension. Yeah, I can't read that. It's all way too tiny for me. Oh, somebody had the lights on in here too. If somebody wanted this car dead, is what they did. They wanted this car dead because they didn't want somebody else trying to start it. Guys, she sounds healthy. Sounds very healthy. I am going to shut off the booster pack. And we'll shut off the car and hope that it starts up for the next person. As much as I do like this little car, this is not one I'm going to bid on. It's not. I've got too many cars, guys. Honestly, I can't even keep the cars I currently have. I have spent way too much money on cars this month. Far more than I usually do. I've spent $26,000 on cars, and I just bid another $2,500 on a Porsche. So by the time fees and everything are done, I've spent over 30 grand this month on you know, content cars. And yeah, that's not something I've ever done before. I've never done that before, and I'm enjoying it. But the fact is, when you spend that kind of money, or at least when I spend that kind of money, I can't keep all of these cars if I want to bring you guys some new content. Will she start back up? Oh, that's a hell no. She won't do anything. She won't do anything. Yeah, well, okay. I guess that's it for the Veloster Turbo. Let's move on to the next one. All right, last one, a 2019 Nissan Altima. She took a little bump on the side there. We're going to look at that here in just a second. First, tires. Very nice. Okay, good looking tires. The body looks good so far. Tires look good back here as well. All right. So I guess the, well, yeah, okay. All right. Okay, I knew it took a little bump in the front. I knew that. I had no doubt about any of this. I saw this, and I saw this fender. What I did not pay attention to, totally my fault. I did not pay attention, but I did not see this door is crushed. This door is crushed. This quarter panel is crushed. Yeah, this whole side of the car and the front is in bad shape. Now, the easy stuff, right? The hood, might be able to save it. Front bumper, no big deal. It's a whole assembly. Everything under there is probably okay. So bumper, fender, door, super simple, right? The quarter panel, not so simple. But if you've got a good body guy, you might be able to get that figured out. You got some damage to the rocker panel you got to take into consideration too. It's been pushed in down here and tweaked, and it's also been pushed in and tweaked right here as well. There's rust setting in, and then we have to worry about the B-pillar. Did the B-pillar take any damage? Ooh, we'll see. You know, it doesn't look like there's any damage to the B-pillar that I can see from here. Let's look at it from the other side and see how she looks. I don't see any cracked paint. That's a good sign. I always look for cracked or chipped paint. If you see paint cracking or chipped off in an area of impact, you know there's damage. 100% there's damage. So I don't see any. So it looks like the B-pillar is all right. I'm sure the A-pillar is fine because there's really no direct impact over there. So I think this car could be saved if you wanted to. She's dead as a doornail, I'm sure, right? Yeah, she's dead. Of course. Of course. You know, we went from every car started up without a jump to suddenly now every car does not run at all. I like this. I like this generation. I like this body style. I like the interior. I think it's cool how the infotainment center kind of hangs out up there. And then you got this almost sporty looking shifter right here. Even though it's an automatic, I think it looks really cool with the console here. I love the steering wheel. Lots of buttons. I guess that's adaptive cruise control right there. And you can make it further away, I guess. I don't know. I don't know exactly what that button does. Maybe that's adaptive cruise. You got lots of fun little buttons and probably just a nice little economy, fuel efficient 4-banger under the hood. Not a CVT though, right? Oh, I'm sure it's probably a CVT. Biggest thing I hate about Nissans is that they put CVTs in these things, man. Damn it. I wish they would have stuck with traditional transmissions. Put an 8-speed, hell, put a 10-speed under the hood. Just not a CVT, please. Please not a C. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. Electric cars are going to take over the world, right? There's not going to be any transmissions anyway. It's all going to be just instant torque all the time. Yeah, let's put a jump on it and let's see if she wants to run. All right, here we go. Let's hear this beast roar to life. Yeah. It's not going to happen. It'll probably start, but it ain't a beast. It ain't going to roar to life. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Incorrect. Key ID incorrect. Place the key on the button. Okay. All right. Guess the key's dead, huh? That happens when they sit for a long time with the key sitting in the car. Crash malfunction. You don't say. Yep. It definitely says. It knows it was involved in a crash. Luckily, none of the airbags were blown, and the seatbelt pretensioners are still good. All right, nice little infotainment center there. If you guys can even see it, the sun is so dang bright, it's hard to see much of anything. Let's put her in gear. Uh-oh, there we go. She didn't want to come out of gear. Backup camera came to life. Backwards, yeah. Forwards. Yep. Oh, wow, that car is... Oh, wow. Okay. Anyway. She runs good. And with such low miles, I'm sure everything works on this car as well. Look at that. Super quick. Super quick. Steering is good. Brakes are good. Guarantee you that window works too. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. She's a good one, guys. She's only got 55,000 miles on her. Now, she's going to need a lot of work. I'm not going to sit here and pretend like it's not a lot of work. It really is. But if you were thrifty, and you took the time to really source parts that were the same color, you could really turn this into something decent. I mean, all of this is super simple and easy to replace. Bumper, fender, maybe hood. It is cracked right there. I'd say hood, bumper, fender, door. And that'll leave you with this eyesore right here. But the rest of it will look good. You could drive it. Well, hell, you could drive it as is. But I mean, if you fix these few things on it, you could drive this thing absolutely, guys, and it would look relatively good. She's got good tires. She runs great. She's got low miles. You know, just keep your eye on that CVT, and you'll be good to go for at least another 5,000 miles before something catastrophic breaks with the transmission. I'm kidding, sort of. I have heard that Nissan and CVTs are, you know, synonymous with boom. Junk, but I don't know. I don't know. I've never had one long enough to be able to say one way or another. Either way, I think it's a sharp looking car. It looks good. It sounds good. And I think with minimal work, a DIYer could absolutely put this car back together and have themselves a decent little ride. Well, guys, I hope you can forgive me for hitting it and quitting it, but I gotta go, man. I'm done. I'm ready. I'm finished, and I'm ready to get up out of here. No cap. For real, whatever the new lingo is. I don't know, guys, but I do have to go because I got like 20 minutes left. I got 2 more videos to record for you guys. I don't think I'm going to make it. I got to get out of here. If you enjoyed today's content as much as I enjoyed making it for you, well, hit the thumbs up button and drop me a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon in the next one.